In this video, I'll show you how to use the basic features of the editor. At the top of the editor is the top navigation bar. Here, you can quickly jump to other pages on your site or change the view from desktop to tablet or mobile. It's important to remember that these are not separate websites, but instead are previews of how the same website will look on different devices. On the right side of the top navigation bar, you can search the editor, view your site info and stats, undo your changes, open a preview of your site, publish and make your changes live, open the Help Center, or go back to your site dashboard. This button opens the Advanced Developer mode to edit HTML and CSS. On the side panel, you can customize your site's global design settings, add, remove, or reorder pages, drag and drop new widgets into your site, import and manage content, set up personalization rules, add an e-commerce store, start a blog, open the App Store, or adjust general site settings. The content editor is here in the middle. With the proper permissions, you can edit just about everything here. You can drag and drop to move widgets around, or click on a widget to see its editing options.